simple survey techniques. Now, our survey technique considered here is known as triangulation. So in triangulation, the area to be surveyed is divided into convenient geometrical figures or is covered by a suitable geometrical figure. For example, a T-farm in the shape drawn to scale is shown below. So the scale is 1 to 500. Now, in triangulation technique, the line XY is referred to as the baseline. Now, the other line or all lines perpendicular to this baseline are called offsets. So we have baseline, then offsets. So remember, offsets are perpendicular to the baseline. So there is the first offset through A, the second offset through B, and the third offset through C. So the distance from X to the first offset is 6 centimeters. The distance of the second offset from X is 9. And the distance from the third offset from X is 15 centimeters. And the height of each offset, or the length of each offset, is also indicated. Now, to find the area of the farm, we simply get the area of each shape, and then we add the total. Then from the scale given, we can do the conversion and find the area of the farm in hectares. And that is the subject of question 1. So we can simply subdivide or name the regions as follows. So we can call triangle XYB as P, this smaller partition as S, this is R, and this other triangle Q. So in this case, from the scale given, 1 centimeter will represent 5 meters. So each length on the diagram should be multiplied by 5 to get the actual length. So area of P will be a half of base, which is 90, times height 20. So we've converted those into meters. That gives us 900 square meters. Area of Q is a triangle, so that's half, times base 15 meters, times height 45 meters. So this gives us 337.5 square meters. Area of R equals to, this is a trapezium, so a half of sum of parallel lines here, that will be 3 plus 9 12 times 5, 60. Then times the particular distance between them. That distance is 45. So this gives 1350 square meters. And finally, area of S, which is a triangle, a half, its base is 30 meters, 5 times 6, then times height 15. This is 225 square meters. So therefore, total area in hectares will be 900 plus 337.5 plus 1350 plus 225, everything here over 10,000. And this gives us 0.28125 hectares. Part B requires to enter the actual measurements of this farm in a field book. Or surveyor's field book. And since we know the actual measurements, so this would be from X to the first offset is 30. So that is 30 meters. And the length of that offset is 15 meters. And the offset there is A. The distance from X to the second offset is 45. And the length of that offset from the baseline is 20. So we indicate there to be 20. And finally, the third offset here is 75 meters from X, and its length is 45 meters, and the offset is C. So since there is no any other offset remaining, we indicate the final point of that baseline, which is given as Y. So the result is what we call a surveyor's field book.